if you're watching my videos, I literally just got done putting on them, so I ended the video, and now I'm gonna be putting on these bar mounts. I'm gonna do, obviously, the mid-grade rubber bushings for it, so we'll adjust it from there. Like I said, I probably don't know if I'm gonna be able to feel anything, but I might, but it's still gonna look pretty sweet with all this Luxon parts on it, so. Oh, it's down there. Can't see it. Ooh. All right, when installing these rubber bushings, you see that? See the difference? Those are bottom, these are tops. See the importance of the indent. So the washers can sit in there like that. All right, so these bar mounts, they just go together, so that top piece and this piece is separate with that says Luxon on it, and then the rubber bushings go inside there and just slide them through. And you take one of these, put it right there, and then these go in there. Loctite and torque them to 12 Newton meters. Middle hole is supposedly stock for the Yamahas, so we'll get this one right here. Make sure these are both facing the same way. Be handy. Looks like it, because you see this would be different if you face it that way. It'll give you a different offset, I do believe. So, not the right way, the same way as you can see. 12 Newton meters for the bolts, and then these are 30, I believe. Or maybe they're 40, because they say it right there. These Luxon bars, man. These Luxon stuff, they're really, really high class. So, and don't forget the never sees. I forgot to do it on that one, so I'm gonna have to take this off and do it again. We go 40 Newton meters. See if these won't spin on me, which they probably will. Yep. All right, I'm gonna have to put the forks on to do that. Now, I got that all together, got the forks on. Now I can torque the Luxon bar mounting bolts. And if you ever forget, it's right there. Oh, just over. Oh well. All right, got the bars on. Those still need to be torqued, but whoever torques them, I don't know. But that's pretty much the installation video for the, well, if you watch the other one, I have a video on them, installing them, and I got a video installing the Luxon 4-post rubberized bar mounts. I probably didn't say that all correct, but I'm just gonna tune this up, get the bars set where I want to go. I did ask Justin Starling what he does, so I'm gonna try to run his setup and see how it feels. I don't have any risers, but we'll see what his setup is, and I'll adjust from there. Comment, rate, subscribe for more videos, but we're gonna do a complete overview on this once I'm done with the whole bike build. Peace.